mo kweda ye chalo researcher but kombedi bana tiu chalo ngat maloyo lokom research ki documentation kwet ki goro lo ke kwa Acholi ki dong tij mo kana matimo pol ana ye natural resource consultancy matimo po i lob Uganda lu safoya.
Well, a former tech, atamani pabe dir lock ma board twal cherish short. Dan Michael, kid nero kid ma Blencowe Karakwero describing Orom-Cross project ni is a potentially transformative project. Ngo mamiro dano meko malami Uganda onyo Kitgum specifically mi chako kama enti yeni. Go nene ko Orom-Cross project ni.
Well, a former tech, mera pat ka chel kijuma magiti nene wa yodi khomene matin. Mafupe achero kagamo peny mayini penyo. Omer ko waniang gin mo wati logene ene giango.
Ene giango.
Yes. Ibiti makija nying graphite kilewa churi matiati footpair.
Kikarwe.
Wak maybe go koni toni. Romo konywa kiro winyu wajenti researcher ike kwa Acholi. Graphite obero got ma ilebmon watch mo in some form of carbon rock. Ti ubero ma chol kidak bene kal ne chaw kene men bero grey. Enti gena chel ma kom karani gitiu kede machalo gen ma konyo conducting electricity. Pingo watia lo kom lonyo matite ngomene ni chawa man. Ikar mu karangech one more kan ki pol palwak magiti wo kuya gukwano kwan man elementary and pre-primary education ki gene early childhood kwan in nursery kalam moni ma yang wano goyo ki chal boy and girl kalam magiluni kalam kaloni en chine ma choleni eno yang yub ki graphite
male mo woni pencil
megi ma megwa chaw ken gi wero wangi ki gi wero eyebrows ma meggi
giloni makeup
en kalam yoni benen chine yoni ki tuge ki graphite now don lobodo berutie ti chew yabunya ki tube ne kwere me ti chalo a lubricant tube ne gi tiu kere chalo a refractory refractory ti loketini moni en kanyo temperatures matigutual high temperatures en kanyo ma kaketi se majtika wang studio kan ka soundproof vendo gikero se gikero no graphite pe karo cherwo an inverse bene kachigwangenen maj betiga wang kiwo pe bine ye eno mapere tek maloyo duju ene ye don lobo matika bine kare ene graphite yonge gi jabu noni monen gi jubu ki batteries lithium-ion batteries ki dry cells ko di batteries ma yang wano kere radio
tiger head
chine ni ki mo mone maberi yene mono tiki components pe graphite dongi karman dano coupe ki chim pek pa chim mambegi yone ti battery percent pierre ber pa battery yone tiki linings me graphite eno mo pere teke komberi chawane pingo watia lori lokom lonyaman matite ngome wati lok pere pe lok kineno malo dero ki joma maro lobo gentika lok ni mo mergi gok ping murumwa ko ma chel chido wan wayni mone ki le moni wayni mone energy transition now la bolle kara cha wonu bera lok metongo yen tongo bayo magibera tone o matek twale tongo yen ki wachi moni balo ping murumwa dakero aroge ki jemu kan ma pe be pi lobuwa eno ka don wanti tongo yen pi tikere machalo maka ngoma kiromo kelne as an alternative en gin were neno gi keru jemu kan machalo LPG gas energy saving stoves onyo keno ma pe wan yen ritual donc ka wadu gi lok me graphite
ma full picture kanyo in the same vent kitiu ki part of the graphites bene for the electric cars
en ati bieno kenyo
okay
bien ka wi po yang ma wano kwano basic science ma megwai primary gibela lok ni mutaka ki chuma mo ma don twal mutaka ma tiu ki fossil energy mono matiyo ki petrol ka chel ki diesel gen gi dunyo yero donc ka dunyo yero ki chuma mo madon factories mati cities madon chero baro KK moni mati maro kuja mano madan lo ni zone le yani now ko bedi ni kadon wawe ni mo weki dok ping neno mutaka magi tiyen ki yero man makiloni fossil energy. What is the alternative? An alternative ene want to unlock electric vehicles. Kumberi kanyi Kampala kanyi neno kira giti unlock yellow me kira EV vehicles.
EV, yeah.
En mutaka giti kingo ki batteries. Dano ngo mo ati unlock ye.
Yes, a former tech. Tony, iworo ikabero anni. Inero ngomati. Inero ni ma football tiar me jas nero kit me nero kwede gen ma dano logo ni. Eni la nyamati ada?
Afo yo mera pat mero wacho ni lo nyamati yoromi nyo lo nyamati Acholi in general ono food peke gudu mapol. Atamo ni mapat ki kwanye lo nyamo kena madano neno gwak neno toko chalo kweyo gi me gedo charo god ki makigoy we god la ro god ki der gi lo nyamano gi bera kwanye ya Acholi at that level no food peke polo berkateme Karamoja in Western Uganda. So my company makiloni Blencowe Resources unyo Consolidated African Resources will be on ground which I teach and obey for a long time. Project in the Amber watching project madit and lonya matie don't quantified and kumberi ni chuk me lobo dongeo. Kai na no mod ibinoni lonya eni tiki miri unyo gen mamono lo ni geopolitical interest here. Pedong Kitgum keken, pedong Acholi keken, pe Uganda keken, dano ma politiki miri ye. Now gen mawe lobo tiki miri ye pe gen matidi, mon gen madit. Eni binoni company eni makiloni Blencowe Resources tie company ma aki lobo UK. Aki lobo UK kono begenti listed in the London stock market. Tie lokeni they are publicly listed and dano mateka do chenta yet ye marketika investing. Mono is public interest kill over UK. The same company ibinoni gitigi interest ma take no support directly from America. Mono ngwa ngeni lonye ne petit dong mengo but UK can matiki miri because company graphite lobachel ma do taking lead and China I don't tell you supply percent per bear chilo mu kana pa loba muni mu kana chalo Europe New America giti kilworo ni kiet ma China take taking lead kedeni ubekeli ki peri yanyim China take controlling 70%. So ten lokeni lo nyamati Kitgum mi tie gere telo Kitgum but dana mate yoko ye wigi at international level tie. So America atiak mana America take akato chente tie mi technical support magi mutual grant under their what they call the International Development Finance Corporation go mi grants and according to data Blencowe publishing, it was supposed to be in the tune of $5 million, but they were giving it in bits. They look in America, take a mirror, make controlling influence by China. I compare China bene, come America don't take care of China, European don't take care of China. China is still the leading expertise in processing graphite. Genetic technology, my processing. Over Blencowe. Kako kwanyo sample gi kono bulk sample ko any kind of sample ke riyan ke China and China is leading in their refining project. Ten lokeni wa will China is still the biggest off-taker will. So ten lok project enini project madid and lob umbedini tiake to Kitgum at the center of geopolitical interest globally pedong Uganda keken. Ten lokeni Acholi ko umbedini ka kiti minyigi map peke minyigi ki Uganda keken ki minyigi at a global scale. That is how big the project is.
Well, Dan, ka dugu bore, ma pat ki chero ka gollo mola onyo kiri onyo got inni. Neru wu chelo project. Mitio ko miri palwak. Magitie ikabiri mak lonyo inni kibe kwanyi ye. Kay munyo ngo mo lenga wajani. What should the local people at the grassroots expect?
Yeah, for mera pat. Ma food no pera bieno ka gamla page ma megini numero ke ye wera mi con a brief background kama akie wa oye kikwe kama tichere.
Proceed.
Ikar mukara ngechi yini ngeni moni kara meloch pomono tara. Gen gubero ki maps manyuro kama lonyo mapatpati ye. So obere mwagali bariyo ka para beach el ene ye monomo makilunye ni John Cross wa kia Australia chi ubino o yabo timu jemi maromo gena dek ingeyo in the extractive industry procedures my timu tia dek me achel ichago gen makiluni prospecting is just wondering woru mere ni kamagi wo ke giriti kan cheru mere iroro igina ma procedures are dek in wing license tie magamente mini me ario kai tio explore again prospecting chere exploration may gamo license keyboard jangankal maneno loko match kilo nyama titengo mon ministry of energy and mineral development department gimagiloni department of geological survey and mines so king timo prospecting chere exploration ene ye timo jimi pe maromo gena de me achele ene ye itemo kong niang suitability par resource ni tini kirebedini kidong ikarmana iti team exploration niang ni moni ditero mene mono quantity ne kidong kaiter chukme wilobo quality ne tini so gene gure dek my team exploration kaiti o meno dak pe chunyi me chera gam license me adek make luoni mining license me golone madong check dong yeki me yabo golone so consolidated Africa tiki mining license ma be tergi mo piari wa chel now ikarma John Cross obino tiero procedures zoni kigumarachi mwagali bariyo kapara bungwen piera riyo yilingiyo ngo mutibe wilobo ko mo mego cherchitum gino were winyo ki luon project ni Orom-Cross ni NAT people pinga John Cross because ena ye ochao now ikarma en kuone ruin directors mano giti I company magiloni consolidated Africa gen go losing interest in the project owero dong Blencowe ubino will license waki company weng that's why go well consolidated as its implementing partner ilobo Uganda teacher la tenne machalo vision group kan no vision group NAT men Wando TV NAT men radio Europing and ticket noni now ikarma dong wano bino kachako mechako timu mining license on tipi mwaki piari wa chel so kaya ukwane right from 2019 no dong literally watiyo ki mwaka bero obera timu ngo obera timu gen makiloni definitive feasibility study now DFS TJ maduong matime kiye me chel ena ye ingeyo check ilobo Uganda tierni lonyo matite ngom tipa nywele melo Uganda mano gikero gen gamenta ene mero law it is in trust of a government for the citizens ento yini karking on padano yare chera kwanyo lonyo matite ngombi owero gen ma chiel ma yini time land acquisition now land acquisition ma wan watimo kama project ni ti project ti I parish magiluni ya Kurmo mati Oromi sub county Kitgum district now one chera ascertaining scope pe large pa kama ngom ti ye kama lonye ti ye 9 square miles maka iduoro hectares ali bariyo kipiara beyero we there 2073 hectares now ikarma wano ascertaining size mengo miuni ginmo wati ma chielene wa title ngomi pekinyingwa eno kinyingo community yenini tie villages apa so gen go wachimo miero gi title ngomi kinyingi makiluo title gi choy kinying nelo chomo communal landowners association so enini miugan ni one machalo company wabi kwanyo melo nyamati tengomi ento won ngom tie okay so gen mario mo timene wachero iwinye mano waneno kakwene kamano ti arebo kamano fure pien kiguma be settlement mope kujameti meri di team ma settlement moma wek ki kwany dano ki kabelo ni gichwal gi woko pe otime resettlement action plan po time so eni men wan be ne ni moni kari beti ni settlement mo pere joni ben gi chamo girumo gi no gi mo ki ye kuja livelihood gi is going to be affected bien no bero be ni mo gi cher gi fur yi di igene mining license area kuja gi dwa gi gogo legi kono so wanu na modalities ngo ma waro mo konyo kweri ki gen we wanu katiki modalities ma wameni gi chant it's not necessarily compensation pole down woni compensation money compensation no anati chulipi gen no inyini bi ruenyo ko kumengo so wanu winye ke gene we gi ngom ni inye mwaga bija beach la bolle ami ma chala bolba eni pegen matie igene igen makiloni surface right agreement monen winye mano winye kere ki won ngom ti company wa winye makiloni surface right agreement karoki ngoma metiara kwanyo donyo matite ngom now kake titoni la bolle ti giwaya won toni no yang tiki eka za pa value bino na yano chiweni eka za pa ni wanu biro ni kanji furi kabi la bolle mwaga chel rombe ni eka chel romo no alibia beach ni ginya ki eka za pa no chili alibia no million beach ko times 5 years no million piari wa beach kimiyu bore now mwaga beach wa kero strategically pitien look ni ngom ti aseta chel ma value ne appreciates so kama mwaga bejo romo wa bero paying da ko winye o mete ki wel chane keje wa duak paying because no investor ti wachini an foot pebe ya ngo kwa nyolo matite ngome.
But is this happening?
Exactly. Wachulu chulma chel chulma ari no biro chuli mwa mukaro baragala gala mo difutie masaide tie makwa ko lokko munye matie surface right agreement. Now gin mo kena mo wano things ni a livelihood is going to be affected ki kony meli mo wana mi yobot community ki welo idgi tractors ariyo me konyo gen machalo yi association ma meggi meti mo fu mageno giti ya fu wego konyo ke ma meggi ikid me nyaayo lo ni chingi now gen bene gu penyo ne gen machalo wigi ngom pegi bi beru luneno project ni they won't be actors gen be gi bero beno I mean they won't be spectators mer gi bed actors so one watch you can now fine one bi kwanyo lotia na beja beach mwa within the community mawa meru chulugi itasari institution charo kwere mala eno kiguma right community enity community mati very impoverished nongolotia na 2019 pene romo nongogi owero wano do scope ping paga wa senior fo ameru wachi part ka chel kidan matinenwa ni lutia mo kwanyo gi pioneers senior fo 2019 gukwano ma kumberi chawani latia chel utimino engineering utio kibu city ma university graduating mwa mukaro kidong luwara ngwen chane ade utimu nursing ariyo utimu midwifery now so mukene dong dujuli wen gitie dong uchake senior 1 paga na ko chero kere senior 6 mukene ti institutions mukene ma part now kombeni ma longo watike luteno pede khabichel no kwanya bija beach no mero imwagani obed piera deck ente mwagani wano ni pien one machalo company gen mo team is ni one injecting chente but committee me education mati in the association one teach mamegwa is we inject chente every academic year gena igi selecting luterne gi identifying schools mena ma luterne cherie eno kis kagu cher schools chane wa tem mater tutoal mena ni mon wa attaching la fuñ mo bodgi be meni career guidance eno don ai mwagani gena watimo era ye wameru lutena beach because of affirmative action wano oni lutena beach mage milioni piano giti milioni on merit chipole lutena wobe no chibod ki UK gwa ino watimi yala tena nyaga beno kwan so wakwanyo lutena beach ma enemies for affirmative action pilotena nyera ken owero imwagani don watiki lutena pa next year we work lutena pa kireone
now before you proceed la change mind better penny or you one of the provocations matia yene the land ma indika wajneni kombedi wajni you have a surface land right agreement and la change one of the contention of Bertini there's nothing to do with the land surface agreement on your benekatie that letter was or that document was not processed before the people however there's a cry on your there's a plea ni the livelihood of the people ma indika wajneni projected is at risk. Kumbe nitika confirming ni there's a surface land right agreement Matie. Pangayo, did you come across the land issue?
No matter what, Blencowe Resources is a very interesting lock. Pianini, Jim Mabed Maguti Mutie, Mati clear on the ground. And kama gaps tie beneti wa luong ni gaps pa luong ni jamarajo. Pinga waja kama ono pianini aberu kia extensive engagement ki Blencowe Resources. Kibot mayara madit maluoni nera dan kibot country manager me company Makloni Nabila Lam is a colleague engineer, and several times we're exchanging emails, official email conversations ki leadership me Blencowe at international level. At some point why level we even wrote to agencies mawatamani Blencowe take no chance take board because we were mirwan otini waniang where the surface rights agreement is, because ganabe watch me na machel ma Blencowe timo as a mistake, and any land surface rights agreement is not a public document. Kekano MPs maguberutie Kitgum municipality, Kitgum district for the last year. I believe none of them nano. Honorable Bay Lilian Beru man MP me Kitgum. Petiki copy ne pengeong matie. Honorable Magamagero Beru constituency MP Michwa East. Kama project here. Honorable Ken PP Uberu in that area. But none of them take clarity on your clue on what was happening in the area as the land surface rights agreement. To break it down,
so how did operations continue for the 7 years, and yet there seems to be a gap?
That's what I want to explain. So Genma Blencowe Timo is what you would term information blackout, which many mining companies do. Because I've interacted with so many mining companies. Kechero Karamoja, Kechero in other parts of the country. That is why one Katiki campaign to discuss natural resource wealth mati actually. Because Pua Meroneno, Peramati Karamoja. Karamoja is an extension of Congo in Uganda. Kay already the street me Kampala kanje Neano Lutiano Jonko, get it like on the streets. I don't think ni Latiana Chulimo, Mirneti ni, Ibien Dirma Nen, Wore, when Latian Pawate, Motia Wardi town, can Moakorom, Mati Leko. Teleko Mugati district me Kampala. Kono Lonyongo, Tibotu Tengom. Karamoja take jeme when gold, graphite matter extending towards Karaya Benetie, Mabo, jeme wengtie, limestone, any kind of mineral log about it is there in Karamoja, including gemstones. Now, Genwa one mirwati any don lo mablenko kelo enemy is good, mirwa supporting. Obat mirobeki transparency manu supporting the local community. And merobet people first, dan merobet at the forefront, not company your profit first. Ma uberuchalo which is the case because kai chao timo girekloni information blackout in an extractive sector like this. Kon Blencowe tie a signatory to Gimakeloni Extractive Industry Transparency Initiative. My Uganda is signatory here. Headquarter get Ministry of Finance. Tilogni Blencowe merobet declaring publicly. Chibinoni Gilma Blencowe meo, they have been smart. Give me your public information. Give me you. But strategic public documents and information, Charo Land Surface Rights Agreement, pick me. Now, this is what some of us discovered when one war on the ground. And I know some sketches of the agreement. Came out on board community members, who don't even through brokers and agents. The first mistake, Madan agrees with me on it. And when Blencowe was negotiating the contract, or the land surface rights agreement, because any condition where you know mining licenses, ni merke nyot ni luau ye mining tinanawe. Angom any communal land, but got wrong. The first thing any Blencowe odonyo in what we call conflict of interest. Ngat matie community liaison officer, mati staff Blencowe, any ability chairperson of the Luchomo Land Owners Association. So in the watcher. Ngatmatika negotiating as the boss when your chairperson me land on association any year liaison officer ma Blencowe choela tij ma megi at international level, even at standard protocols, that's not allowed. Blencowe ngeo and I raising complaint any yetgi several times. Combating as we speak. Andrew Lushom, Andrew Luwok Futi staff pa Blencowe as a community liaison officer. Pangeo ka donke kwanyo dong pere chalo land owners. That is the first contestation. I'm here to watch it step by step.
Yes.
It completely compromises the land surface rights agreement. Macau no Blencowe gumaguma ni lotia actually want development. And America Nyangni, we want development. But Kao Nindo, there are loopholes to shoot down the license for cancellation. That is one of the clear grounds. One of your lawyers, Mapol, ni peote in that line. Because that is already a very red flag, a serious red flag. Ni, you cannot have a staff matie at the level of a liaison officer, and a kupeki community, and the side for community be, better watching government take a negotiating government.
That's something serious. But car shooting project of pain, no limon but meanwhile, and then when we look at scenarios, kumberi down watching the team of Pierre Deck we bichel. Dongu no care imwa berne min no care mi fonye ke kwan. Of course any game mabe. Ento anena iluchi. Ngo me mero met ne ngo mero watching.
Amiro lo gario. Me achil. Lok ni mone Blencowe petit mero kilo public this surface right agreement.
How true is it?
At level me transparency ba. Chi Tony bene I mean pe bera wajo. We have always been very transparent yo moge ken. Information mo iken ma kemi kilo kom project ni. Tie ma wano yano kare. Kai chair websites ma megwa, you know information ma kwa lok me Orom-Cross Graphite. Now we are going look me surface right agreement.
That's the same question which was raised by also Calvin.
Exactly. Now, to simplify it, Arombero la pangoti, initi landlord. One win ye gin makiluni tenancy agreement. Kumengo, key conditions near loro gate chawa ne beru chawa ngwen, choron meru gilwa kuman. Those are the conditions mati in the tenancy agreement. Near mechol mirpo karne and the beach the kidwe. Okay? Ginma wanote lorie chawani, berwe dakno LC1 tika bien ga penyoni ate miro tenancy agreement mati kin dan gin kipar.
Amergo kagama.
Now, I want to simplify shida being here. Now, miringe ni moni surface right agreement. And surface right agreement in it between the community and the company. Okay? Now, Genachil Mamirunge is ni combating the association in tika transitioning to a board of trustee. Magitike a secretariat and a council lawyer. Ma ena yeti in possession of all documents key assets ma pegitego pa association.
Men association money.
And ma wando ni wigging on. No chomu communal land association get here transitioning into a trust. So ti winye mukene magi wachimi bed confidential. Non-disclosure clauses tie duong in that gene.
Manyote kombere simply ngatateka nero ni mirongeni kombetni it is not the problem of Blencowe but it is the problem of the community land association. Magien go rite go linge we kartache gemete kongetiak mirge ke lawyer gi entro berno pera tek miniang I community land associations ngage mageti ye.
Yes. Now kidong gen mukeno miringe is ni document madanti log yeko ni MOU ko surface right agreement. Ene ti document achil ma ti gazette tiki restrictions mugo. Ma wane ni benti clauses muke pa lori. Eno ti je muke magi yene lori. Like lokme scholarship gini tie those are terms and conditions mati in this surface right agreement. Lokme ario. Iwe ni moni toni wa ni moni karma Blencowe chago tichini conflict of interest here. Amiro moke kia dani Andrew lo work petty community liaison officer me company.
Amiro penyi la penya chel. Andrew lo work oberu community liaison officer me company before ke repoberu.
Ti won come en oberu won come.
No, oberu staff of Blencowe. Poberu staff of Blencowe.
Be waicha wani petty staff of Blencowe.
Ayela pe.
Let's proceed.
You know we can deny these facts but the truth is there. But most importantly, kera wachikerene ni there is no in the extractive sector as long as you're signatory. Uganda is a signatory, okay? Anywhere, in the oil and gas sector, there's what they call a production sharing agreement. Much as there were non-disclosure agreement clauses to it, it is still accessible. There's a level of disclosure to it. It was even presented in Parliament. Now, what Dan is saying, what Dan is saying is not applicable in this case. To give an example of landlord, Konoki, tenancy agreement. No, this is a document you present to government to get a license in the first place. Number two, I made clearly in the negotiation, you cannot have the chairperson of the association. It could have happened previously. Let me finish. The unfortunate bit.
Okay.
The unfortunate bit is, well, let me finish my point. The unfortunate bit is trying to deny it completely. But what we know, what Dan knows, Andrew Luwak was a staff of Blencowe. Andrew Luwak, as I know, has been bankrolled and has been paid by Blencowe. Makaki their bank records. You will find Andrew Luwak was getting salary from Blencowe as a community liaison officer. Go and check the records. They are clear. Let me give you Dan Mero, I would have gotten extracts because I kept those records. My staffs for Blencowe. The records were there, but we shouldn't go that line. I'm watching the one pro development because we do. We are just trying to make sure I need clarity. Number two, on the issue of land, any company which are negotiating Kilo Gang in reference to minerals. But the valuation of NGOM was on basis of agriculture. You cannot price land material on industrial mineral extraction site on terms of agriculture. The valuation was poor. So there was what we'd call undervaluation of the land. I will tell you for a fact. You cannot price me, you're giving me 400,000, for example, for acre of land. Yet you're extracting minerals worth, and even your net project value, this is $1.3+ billion, and the project value is the net project value is still increasing. And then Latiana Chulmero Loklo Adani, Kawamir Konyo Pajo, and we are trying to avoid a natural resource curse. That is what we are trying to avoid. Number three, even compensation has been a lot of issues. Jo can pay chulugi, jo can nyingiti missing, jo can chulugi, penny and matitime, chuluki rio kere, and then you wonder, Gente wajani company football chako no chenta. Let me tell you, I want you clearly from the beginning, the company enemy is being bankrolled by 3 governments. Government me China team me chenta, government me USA team me chenta, chalo grant, pekiti me loan. And then UK is itself. This is a geopolitical interest mineral. This is a critical mineral. Madana when we below mirne. So pe company chak lock chalo again foot pe chako kwanyelonyo, again footilo chan. And in any case, there were a lot of issues we were not raising. Ma poverty lock ni because we were they were made the Germany bit clear. Peke better kwala luak ma megwa. Management of a session da law opere. Prompt payment a law opere. Secrecy over the land surface rights agreement. You cannot hide that document. It has to be a public document because let me tell you, without that document, no pego be no license. Pingo kitia kanone. Tideno.
One, production is targeted for 2027. What year don't compete in 2026 Duma Bor. Kadon production take a and we still have these small issues matika beno. Dong kitung bora ketani angore. The surface right land agreement tie ikena association ket madana waju kweni. Dong ka derebe da opero. L'hotel atikwe, government atikwe, onyonga gi mo chung pingani. Ke the lawyers pa Johnny bikeme ke pera manotieni. Because the cast my munyekte watchnani will not go only to Orom or even Kitgum alone. Oberu pera padana weng as Julie as a community. No don't give money marajo timme. Ento jo trust marketing forming on your committee marketing forming. On your benefit munyeke waju kwede kumbeni ni Roma ichiaro kaneno nyeri kata kitimo kare ya chuli ni nyar ni okwan totwal so balti che mero bere duo bet kuman just a minute before Chido, you do the valuation based on that
community ma want to know about it winwe kiluongi ni Acholi kuri bere wachini what you would call tie group ma tie in between Acholi ki Karamojong tiniangwe kago dok kitu side po jong we gen pe we gi pe jong kago du ki bora Acholi we gi pe so gitie italo we no man's land tinian Gitital group matie isolated ma dano gipere tin yangwe. That is how vulnerable this community is. And so kere wa jomogo magitia nyate ne genetia door association ngangagi. Weng pole brokers. Mago kwana olo. And that is how bad it is. But the real typical members of community, they are as poor. You cannot feel the presence of the project in this community. Ate wa lokada, kere wa tractors madan logo payerne. Kere wa scholarship madan logo payer. Danti awa. This is a project in Kitgum. Danti awa kutido. I have all these records. So kagien wa lokum transparency. These concerns ma ate are raising are concerns ma I believe even the extractive industry initiative transparency may Uganda is going to investigate and are investigating. Back down on and are raising these concerns 2, 3, 4 years ago. And most of these concerns take a fulfilling for it. Mokene I've seen has been responded to.
Because
let's give him a right to speak. We listen. Complaints are being raised. Issues are being raised on the desk. Let's get it started.
I think what here nyako lokini mero wabed very sober. Kiben wabed very honest. Ka kiwachi moni association nini onyo this community ni aki villages apa. Like for example when you watching one machalo company teach on your obligation wise chalo for example the scholarship ini kwanye miyo to a committee magina ye identifying so pero wachi moni dare from the 10 villages man down to a committee of that education scholarship education committee ni genda ki yeri mogi kwaindo tia roi karea sentiments again atia winyo ne lanincha awinyo ben honorable MPT awachone nige kwanyo lu members me that any ni genma merwa look with honesty and with transparency.
What is the real situation on ground according to you, Dan?
Look tikumanba we should not politicize this project. Kawatia look about this project we were very honest and open. Document ma naganen muntia watch about the surface right agreement is only one document. But documents mukeneti, for example, the environmental social impact assessment lanincha winyu ka honorable me Calvin tia lorie. This is a public document. Wa woni come you can access it ki headquarters panema kan ti choke du kan. Huh? Onyo ka dongen wa mo now fine. This document is with the ministry onyo because it was a parameter where one license. Why don't you go, board commissioner, when your department made geological survey and mines, we have no GAM documents again?
But we are going to negotiate board ministry. We want a transparent company. You've been publishing documents. Why do you deny them?
No, the thing is, there are certain clauses. There are certain clauses.
No, there are certain clauses. There are some clauses that cannot be touched. However, that is something that we are trying to discuss. Okay, mechane tima del diap manana o tika nano Rupington o Wando TV o Diokmatin wa tika lokan ke Mr. Dan Michael Kumakech matie PRO mi Blencowe mero company chel matika kwanyo got matie I Orom-Cross site ingara kanche engineer Tony Olanyo Lenge ma watika temo nyang matut ilokom lonya mitengom eni kid mo bokelo ko la ngomu rem ngomu mero ke yup wa ben mabe eni biberu be pi an ke in kiwilobo Uganda mano wanoti yeni wachino yue manok dekika aria dekeken kawadugi kono wajini yup eni lakele obedi chapa General Enterprises konkumeno. Let's take a short break. Afoy matek afoy duki yue majachi kanuni watika boklo kan matek tek chairman wachara wachinong chai ma wachini lakel yupeni mar wachini ka chawana rom nomero anki in this a breakfast show nomero nongimo weki igop manok man any chapa General Enterprises magi kelewa Prestige Margarine, Prestige Fruity and fat spread ma ini chero ikere imugati mamegechi inyana meni breakfast mamegi tika warmbe kone watene no pede program mi Rupington chapa General Enterprises bene gitiki jima duong magen ke kele chuk kay mero e chere dukan mamegi madit mabene e supermarket mo ken ma ini chero ebe no products mamegi no tie e Diokmatin atie studio 1K omera Dan Michael Kumakech matile lok madit pa Orom-Cross project ma tie i Orom watie bene ke engineer Tony Olanyo Lenge ma tie ka boko lok kwedwa kany ngo ma tika time watika neno lokom gollo lonyo me tengom i Kitgum man eni i Orom chamone wabedo ka boko lok matetek ma wabedo ke lok ma kite wajine ni yes dano bedo ke winye i lokom ngom ma kiloni the surface rights agreement and so mo are no watika lar fu lok ni karta cheni ka tie tibon ngagi magatika managing ento ulenge bedo wachani tie itching association manjur ka don tie itching association wegene onyoje mateka don bene gitie chamon apenyo dan awachini well kiri kati kumaro imwagali bario kipiare wa bero madokte next year ni 2027 no don ke chako kata tie ti dong ni lonye make golo ni dong ke chako dong ter ne ka charo kama miro beriye dan beno wach wakany stages a dek matime kara mi gollo lonyo mite ngom ket me bini chako neno ko ngom atie yenye mirata ibino chako exploration kade o any mining stages one mapapat ite mining bendare jima pat mo kana tie matime ye eto kama dong o any project en kiwani mwaganyen no dong miro betie eto kadong gitika utika yupe me chako timo production lok wala fudi munyu mata teno ngwele futti ka poro talo eri ni warga mi surface right ke kano peke no onyo bene peni otame tijo beri yore what is your prospect for the production
yes ladit part ka chel ki jomati nenwa project here waje kere ni 2027 ene no mabe yabo neno the first purified graphite ndanga nen peno amerigi money part of jemu kene ma ubera timone in terms of requirements ma meta DFS ache lene sampling ma yenye mo be ni wan wakwanya samples mechual ne China enu me nane winyo Tony wajene samples ma wakwanya is a parameter because no off takers the will no gimiero ni yang ni gini mono sitibit ne bedi ni kere bedi ni kingagen away from that also wa temu gin makiloni environmental social impact assessment ma environmental social impact assessment anything can jemi mayini chero ineno malupe ki project ni adukine ubitimo ngo ikompeng murumuwa biodiversity and ecosystems yen kono le matitim kono voix yamumo bi dust mo bi beruka gene ki gene ki project ki donc the social aspect lu tedero on your community project on guru in terms of their livelihood in terms of their cultural heritage in terms of demographies buru project guru gining jomute ki mon kinga gini mon meti kin gena chen ma wanu share team now komberi chawani don't want to share any stage ma kiloni the first stage of production ma parameters je ma meta any number chel mir ke designing mine may be designing or be burning so one tika again watika lupo methodologies manyan now plant ma date ni ma date ma giloni beneficiation plant ene will be care Orom kuya ene ma date ni ma eno be kwanyo this resource here from its raw format en rom kigen ma iwinyo wachi money no lani chawaro bichwalo cha 2003 wachalo 600 bulk tons to China ka wajo man dano ko na ya wachi ni kwanyo gini wel makino ni wachalo 2023 eno pe wachalo pure graphite ba piene no kimini coordinates in the mine license area cherchi gold kama wano beri ko berika ene gold ngom got kinga gine kilo 100 daki mi another point cherchi gold meno so gene gi kwanyo chi gichwalo China pitien loga dia chel ni i Africa kombedini kama gidi timiye graphite commercial scale NAT Madagascar Mozambique ki Tanzania food gear credit again imwagali bari piru ngwen so we could not take it there because no mirichwalo meeting standards Madagascar ki Mozambique no en lok me ye kinga gini. We are penong no waromo chwa ne kono. But all the things we team with permitting from DGSM and Tebe. And now, Gilmado be team Orom. Makwa lok me designing mine, madungwa designing even the layout do chiwa. Gilmano be chero kati mone nkawa tiero yupu plant yoni. The value chain ena ye where one wabichwalo dakno Gilmado ngi purifying from 0% to 97%. So from 97%, mon food no pay acte purified to the international standard. So wano kwanyo gini wakero angagora kama wawiro ngom ekazmia chel ame yupu a plant magiloni spherical purified graphite plant, SPG plant. Now SPG plant is a high temperature firing facility. Nero much dedicated. Huh? Much dedicated. From the dam. On the substation, Chakaki dam. Initially no mero kwa ket plant in kwe jinja kaya. Because
okaro penkuja weng
parameters tia dek mamete in this SPG plant. Much dedicated line. Kino mario mero pi. Kime adek olutobe mero no transport facility mo mero be chak kenyo. Now okay no jinja, you know ni much tie kidam pi benetie kidonga chwalo ne Mombasa ene bene en gen mo wano ti UK me chwalo samples bulk samples kwe i China. Now government ingeyo mabe ni nangane no bero ka kwano review me press donc me the 600 megahertz gen me karumani. Go now Karuma don't wa commissioning. Why don't you what we chat Karuma to establish this SPG plant. Any Karuma chair Karuma wanoni inye with the radicalization kinga Guinea because now generation key transmission facilities per government no get tell me botwa and to within the town council make Karuma. Pero mo kero such a plant in the town council and even scope mengo mawano mero for that facility which is 100 acres. Pero mo no within the town council. Chi wabero kikare no ni numero wachwal side me uyam ki side me noya. But again any pedo lare because of one thing. Mamero bena waji dak bena fo. Iken jo magubero ka tote matek magulog matek. Ukwa Alfred mubero meya me Gulu City machon. Eno bi ni ministry chiwa again machalo Gulu City no giti kingo Kian Industrial Park. And to pegitika realizing investors. So magubi ni ministry kind chiki wa chigini ya match tie investors betie maro kwe pingo pochi loki Blencowe kumberigiti ya yenyongom kwe oyam kikaroma. So eno berka justifying kwanyu facility ni kikaruma mechualo ne Guru on 3 grounds. Waji ni mori match facilities gene match Maguru City no tia bot sources adi ya there. Mai Karuma ma ke lera ki ma ke angagora. Kidong pi ngeni mo national water do kwanyu pi wi Karuma ochalo Guru. Na kidong koga betigwe ti Guru Kenya. But omino no kane no wano ngeno obetim obichwalo ngo facility kwe angagora because kuja wano ni parameters mamete gini wengtie we wano chwalo gini kuja. Anka eneno kilometers tipi ya deka ngwene ken dan to Guru City. Dan
ngare mo ne ti ken gang kuja miaro niang. Donc okwanyo project mati Orom i Kitgum okelo wanga gora pie match mi Kitgum pi ramo maja ngo ma joma nga gora tiyu kwede ma pat ke match malo Kitgum tiyu kwede onyo match malo Gulu tiyu kwede ke gamo ge substation ma papat meru megi olenge la chinche mo be show kan lo karo ni kingechi maduong mai ti kwede lo ko mola ki lonyo mi ngomi you partly contributed mid lobbying dangi me kwanyu project ni ki Kitgum kama miro ki kerie ki kela ngagora PM ti gangu ti dikalu you could have influence in it any lok matie iwe yamo timo tiro achao kidan.
Okay, well again na waju ni parameters onyo gen mamete we yo ban SPG plant in the value chain and jema dekron. Now, ikarama wan ben want ya yele ilok megamo match. piani ngeo mabe ni moni similar activities ma want ya timu ni dong time kara moja na nentonti wachi lok me clinker cement lok me limestone lok me gold lok me marble wenti time kara moja. Now kara moja has a dedicated line mwa ki ginger chairboard gi. Now gi kwanyo ki kenyo me bino ka konyo wa o a ke moroto bino kotido ka bon karen. So gi konyo wa chigi kero terminating ti Orom. Now Orom Trading Center madang again is 28 kilometers ki kama wano ti ye. So ini no bi konyo wa in two ways because no metni kama o terminating ma ki Kitgum chero Romi o terminating Orom. Wamiro kwa nyino cheri junction makujani. Mano watiyu ki interswitch. Like an interswitch. Kacha ni pe watiyu ki maa Kitgum. Now, gini winyuna ana wajes ni facility and man SPG ni miro mat mo ki dam. Direct. Dedicated line. Engin we neno ka waje ni ginger no jameni tie. Ka waje ni karoma no gine ni tie. Ka waje ni angagura en gina tie. Awaje ni this is a high temperature firing facility. Mere dedicated line from the dam. So dam mo pe Kitgum mera. Ento maditeni beneficiation plan maditeni. O wibero Rom eni ma wibero angagura ni matirine. That is one thing mamira gony. Piela ni cha winyo anayono ka honorable member of parliament oi chunye madapingo kwa gini kuja. No, that is the value chain mage lamp ke graphite. And ngeni money there's a company by directive by the way. Ma pe ye ki one igena teketi timu mineral extractive. Pe ye ki yen mechwalo lonyo wa mano peti processed. So 97 chani food no pay ki processing yo mano miete. Kage kero this SPG plan do be Medicare to 99.97%. And I know chukelon me yopu batteries me mutaka new electric vehicles.
Olenge logo Mario ne in logo ke Blencowe logo ke dange gini ke kela ngagora. Donc po ngepe ngai waji ke kela ngagora. Bene ka logo da chi moko ka bene logo gopa chi ini yako. No enti kan tin ni logo mo wan tiek me mecha. Bidong ni la rubo wajo la rubi ti en in bene tie dan bene tie.
Mabed ne era dan do ko nyao kenyo.
Eni peti ya kara.
Eri pe logo da bat gen ma pier tek ere ni. Ma wanu niang uni uno effort tie ki bot Blencowe mena ma chel ko meter ne ginger. Even it would mean actually would lose. That was obvious. When you are about time ye you teach mo can be Blencowe. At a strategic level, lobbying oberutie from the ministry side, me ensuring ni at least kada obe ngaiwa to mo doctor kumalo. Makuan mano te chunga roma ni wan beru yo pe yom. Pian wangeni food nongo bo mana no. So iwa beru yo merni keri no chiat noya keri no chiat uyam keri no chiat ngagwara keri ni is for the betterment. And kid madana wajo keri ni pe no kete Kitgum. Tinanwe. Pian miro a lot of match. Mono kid maromo gamo keri. Gin mo ken ma mera waj mati very very important. Pian ni Jomu kena romo nero ni one oti against project, one party against project, one ka oti against project, loopholes man tie. Pini madan gidonye chal Blencowe no gaps tie ma consolidated African resources o wako mapol tinanwe. And gaps they only no could be exploited. Dan mapol no tiki mire me frustrating effort per company. Ma mer ni dan gi Blencowe go ngeni one charo dan mamaro development and wangeo extractives kit bene. What you matek at our levels. Ma premier wa waj no yedgi. Kit mawanam tikanani project and it should be supported kere at a very strategic level. So Paul je mawan wajo eni wajo chalo tam bot Blencowe. Chalo kombedi winyu dan bere lok ni gene bere kachwalo tons and tons of bulk sample water. Of course, check pagamente ma cabinet resolution passing, you are not allowed to export raw minerals. Of course, that bulk sample was to a greater extent more of extraction. Of course, it was more of a compromise at the ministry level. Mano engagement, my ministry, why you know. But Kidmuti Mekerni, we were raising a lot of suspicion. You need to walk down.
Take a word.
Nano track, carjui, can pull a car with military escorts. So we were raising so many concerns. Key community. Mono Gemma in winyo campaign kono. And Tama one mean, my food combat power now, and my bene. The commissioners in the ministry agree with us. No, me roll bet kiwe bridge. mako weighing tons ma graphite mounting me extract of the samples mo detected because compare unbera waj mere ni uber ka declare ni utero maybe 60,000 tons. But even the ministry doesn't have a weigh bridge. The ministry pay weigh bridge mangeyo ni utero 60,000 tons. So moving forward,
not 60,000, it's 600, it was 600.
600 tons. Moving forward, we are to weigh bridge, independent weigh bridge.
No, there is
when I go
and look, now and then when you look, how any Giberu Kakwanyo Guinea 200 kgs and Lawang DGSM Ubero in that process.
Anate wachini wa ministry kumberi getika denying ni gini beru pere, which is I'm talking about standard protocols. Check wajani mir weigh bridge betie weigh bridge tie pere. Kumberati minu tamni uket weigh bridge so that you avoid more uncertainties. We beg district officials to verify weighing 600 tons.
Tony, it is the government interested to know how many tons have been sent. Should it be government to make up a way bridge kaje Blencowe?
It is two-way. Because Komberika Blencowe, government has given a license to Blencowe. Blencowe has a responsibility to ensure that they work within the law. Kama government take a gap say me go rectifying. Now the ministry says ni gendo merge way bridge mamegi Kenya. Yondra was supposed to do the same thing. But now, since there are delays in government systems, Blencowe wants the project to move. It's not a problem. My government would stop them to install a way bridge.
Yes, itika neno di kumatin program iru pentin wabi beru kan ka neno tam kero tika bino kwede ngome munyu Dan Michael kuma kejo logo ma ake lokom golo graphite ki rom kidong omera olanya Tony engineer Tony olanya olenge giti studio. Abi yabo line now. Line titulo 0782-745-292. Tamiti kwe lokum ngo la penyu chiat bod nga. Anda penyu maduong ba. Benefit putum. Atiki peja rio. Kawa cha dira chidong. Sure tino dira cha abiche. Enta ngeni gina pera tera yeni waberu kila penyu maduong. Loko beru ka kar maduong. Oweko omera Dan Michael kuma kech. Obin wachi no. Miro doka da okati. Adani tika kati. Watika mwenye ngoma tika time. Ento umirbeno wamete unanyi michara. Kiwaje ni the net profit value per project in the mawati logeni mi graphite ni tie about how much is that? 1.254 billion US dollars. Manyoti kadire project no cha what adukine biberu duong. Kidong bay munyu na LPG gas me munyu omera Dan loka yeni. Kadire dong kiwaje ni yen piketong. No one tiki kero me chako yepo jimo matia tia no waro mo bene bedu ki gas ma megwa mon mati wa kenyu la ko lipstick mo wir doguni o wir teng wangu wa ko bed len ko ro med len woni o tika tich ke got and got a chill ma graphite to beautify yourself nen chalo o wa yang o joy tia no bene ke got no dak tino pa niang fuda niang ko bede wa oh there's something to it but then kono what ko chim Normally, meron yang ni dong okay project dong tika chair dong tika cheko 2017 undo chako production 2027 undo chako production it kept me teach it kept me kiwaje casting the net in terms of employment and using the local on ground talent already we are happening to take 36 personnel mawunu training in within the local community which is also very good ento dong michero moving forward what's your projection for employment? What kind of document in terms of local content immersion? Ni kaka ni build Orom, build Kitgum, support Kitgum. Otiki luti ya priority area, jomati area yani mirgundong priority. Mi nane gibini dog teach. Kidong kumberini, luti ya di mi Kitgum jomati ya Acholi sub-region, magiti company wa meguni. Pia mwini wa luchiat, jomaduwe tractor chia ugama waki karamoja, ugama kena ke mbale, ungolo kikuno. What driver been for the Mbale?
Very car. Now, yeah, Amiro, a foi mater pi keluiwai lokeni. Project don't be chara chake. Ka project chara chake, tijubimete. Tijubimete both I plant, mo ibera ngagorane, wakicha, maditene ubero rom. Away from teach, even teach can maintain mobility within the DFS, definitive feasibility study, environmental matter assessment, hydrology test and operations, TGP projects. Kinga kidong lok mekupu project to the national grid. Gen mapo le wano na yana teach mene ka giwaju ni mon teach TP nywele mele Uganda wang. eno ya yum pi department mo magi chako Ministry of Energy and Mineral Development magiluni National and Local Content Department ma gen pol kara inge duya de quarterly basis no gen gitiga limo mining projects duju dak ben kago chair kuja gen ge penyo kono casuals magititit kay nen consultant ye gibini penyi yin gino yin kwe ya ikwe no pebi na be kada no dano mo awa ki Congo tika ju aeroping onyo tika tongo ping kuja no so one man machalu company human resource policies mamegwa na yani moni pola tichi mergi making ki Ugandans away from that and department in Benin make local content in terms of supplies in terms of raw materials supplies in terms of ganachama kingagen so one machalo the company in our environmental social impact assessment watike community development initiatives madungwa drawing on plan mekonyo neno kitiyo mmetukero padano like dirma kano project no dute dero annual melu bigana ti capacity me timo supplies neno makar ne duju
dan mafut pechero ilok makar wen dugo what is your level of trust genni ni department enima initika wachneni obotimo teach ket mo botime kwere kuno wangeya da how flimsy our people have been in terms of chene makaro ki itengdano in ikirme me service providers nyomi contract it down in the procurement process because there's a lot of mistakes matime in the procurement process how sure we need the local service providers itung boto kuja will even have a chance we po karma parliament ka tiaro ka berugulu kitiu service provider ki Kampala kitiu ka bitki na kawa ka kitero wagulu chalo wan pope ki kabit donc kumbe kama mana montie i Kitgum who is going to be a service provider me minu cham chalo Blencowe tie la mera moni kenyu me miru minu pok dek ento miru fuda ko bini procurement process ti wa Kampala kan
ineno part andong lokena gamo among his plans mo wanoti kwere enemy empowering lutedero wa empowering yo maka wanero ni jomoni go yunge group giti care me furu chalo say podek gi giti care me pietro gweni gi giti care me pietro nyanya gini we empower them that is the trust achel ma company do dierego me yabutimone we akpeda kwanu betane ni o nyanya na giti kelu akimbale kuno latedero tigi care me ngo me gene now gena chel ma piertek mama yara waji ene chalma once kameno in terms of royalties poleji mukene ma toniti laurier lo khaway bridge nga gini egini bibino kainen dong we are crossing the bridge okay now royalties egini projection mamegwa wera waji chik waje ni moni percent pierre bero chair board miri madir apara beach bino board Kitgum district local government apa chair board Orom sub county Kitgum beach dock board the landowners no now projection mamegwa ka obera kwanyo this resource I will make tons again manuwa cumulatively piano bicha ki like 20,000 this year chiwa medo care facility wa chero paga over 50,000 more at full scale no so neno ti wajo ni moni pimwa kimwaga like for example Kitgum district binongo millionaires dollars a chel 0.0 maka iloro ichena me Uganda nuti wa billion choka de no Kumberika ichel Kitgum this local government penny gini what is your locally raised revenue they always project 500 million be pegirayo 250
so, meanwhile miti yokolokani wamira wachini line watitulo anero dana bedagochi men we are still taking our conversation line titulo tipinyano 0782 745 292 Loki An Loki Dan Loki engineer Olenge Kany and have a moment angeni Dan is communicating maloka pera attack ikiana bene ke nero calls mamego bino I'll have a time to pick it up line titulo let's have a conversation mete
yeah kigina chill because now watia neno beni there is that multiplier again effect industries mukene tie mateno teno manu gwa karo kene gen gubi yawo bino mon ma yobo shoe polish ma yobo battery mon yan yang tiger heady magi yobo kalam pencil gi bino piano gi ngeni wo ma yobo battery maybe pigi go spiral zingini this electric gene motorbikes in wa bero ni kainen the SPG plan gi yobo ko di companies makiren gubi berka bino mano eni benotika nyayo ti nyayo limbo local governments in terms of local service tax, in terms of licenses, permits, kinga agene. Eno makarne duju mir pe waneno project in terms of tichiken. Waneno ni money project imono kawa care in terms of business. How are we able to chalo private sector, for example, because now kaketini at full scale company bicho lutijmia bichele. Na ikom lutijmia bichele work an no giti kwa nani ken danu mia bichele. Eno no ikom mia bichele work danu mia dek ubini mongi. So ineno itineno there is a population mo ibino. Polka ana maro mi la bol ma perete. Yo mainen gi yubu mea ki Kitgum. Mea ki actually bu mecher musingo. Ti trading center mo matiri in a town Kitgum magiloni kona mission. Ikarama company na giloni Chico. Gubera yupu yo eni pimu kabich. There was one gentleman moma notiga gang namone mo makiloni kona mission pub.
Ngarbono chwela pendan.
Yes.
Good morning, One World TV. My name is Dennis. There's been, the last time the Horrible was on set, they had a point of contention. Why doesn't the leadership of Blencowe want to meet with the local leaders in the district? That's a question.
Before down, why is Blencowe avoiding to meet even the cultural leadership of Acholi? That should be answered together. Thank you.
Okay, well. Now, Ganachil Manana we will. In the extractive industry, one we agitate for is a tripartite engagement. Tripartite nyurni titi and keno, charity and keno, mamego teru keni. Kakena chel pe dechtete petete.
Woman you lock harmonicani. Yes, hello, One World TV. What for? What take a locking out? Alex.
Yes.
What you tell me?
Article Penachella. This mineral resources material in various regions, Gala, the Acholi part of Kenya. I think I know. In the poverty image, the very training way to what arm. Vision for K. Acholi, where we depending the Bangladesh society, Kabaka, and those resources are there. Language is one of the most people I like following him so much. And it's very bad in terms of this kind of field. Where are they to support the local society? We are not allowed and they're not talking about.
Mero question which are borolenge where is your position as Kalko RPM for some time making nini chokwedgi and rakado o lokum ngech no one mero por lalo mero question mo akentebe line 42 but Dan meteki loke
onati what about this tripartite
engagements
now, tripartite nyurni we always emphasize ni momero kena deki utika che. Now, TNK na chill in the extractive industry, NAA community. Mame nogu ti keno ma riyo ne the investor kidong ma dekenen gamente. Gamente no dong kwako dong en me wakimaro lutela magi chege cheti kiman magi yera kidong ministries bene para wabot ka wabot jago wa sub county. Magi yera bene para wabot LC1. Piane ka inwe golutera wo investor peromoti kena gen ki community. You know? So in tigana chel ma wano tiga timone ma lokumo madak wano tiga no ni okay ko ge wero Kitgum district local government out of this engagement the pere. In fact kombe man logo ni bene dano mati land officer me Kitgum district senior land management officer that did Matthew to and is a focal point person. Make our one district projecting. So nyurni want to teach ka chel in that engagement.
Olenge eling pe kar maboro ko ke ko mun duani ko ngo me mero gamne e kom project eni wa ka dukine onene kom dan 2027 do o
gen ma pera tek ma mero dano nge ena ni just like kira waje any project ma can rewire the economy pa actually. Ingeo oil and gas ki berka korne kiti kor fast oil kiti korne but endo chaka Indo chakya. All that yana churi down no teach, which is good. My another example there. One teach work a project and was supporting project enemy from all angles, political, social, even the cultural level. Gimba one are raising, what are raising the piano deck project. What are raising piano made in luak, po bed ki dowry com project, luak bed ki support com project. Dan merokunge ki Blencowe any Gimba Blencowe take a combat in Gimba glony political alliances. Gimba ministry me glony political alliances.
You don't politicize it.
Dan meronge ni ki political alliances. So he cannot run away from politics. Gimba Dan get a loin combat me mer go to ma tek me no and glony social alliances, acceptability of the project from the sub-region. Because project are expanding, there's a lot. So the whole of Acholi must be mobilized for the project. Poromaling information. I have always seen Blencowe is very active in Kampala. Very little.
On ground.
On ground.
But what
Acholi must be mobilized. Acholi must, information. Down there, we speculation. Acholi must be mobilized. And I'm encouraging Blencowe to properly increase the budget, maybe for Dan. We're down better word, we're down better information. We are late as actually on a regular basis. Dan radio stations every week. Go back. There should be aggressive. Is it repeated enough? Because Dan project do there are so many mineral engineers in Acholi. There are so many geologists. There are so many environmentalists. There are so many people can be accommodated in that graphite project because project is going to employ people in thousands. Now, kati wajoni gap here in communication because every time we're in the boardrooms of Kampala. We're in boardrooms of Kampala. No boss pa Blencowe here, Dan, here. There's nothing we see in Kitgum. There's nothing I see in Gulu. That's what I'm saying. So project not because Kekwara is not doing its best. I represent Kekwara, tell somebody in research and documentation. But one staff make Kekwara more to Blencowe has been hesitant in pushing for information that side. I'm here watching. There was a time Blencowe a big milestone discovery. The celebration was in Serena, not in Gulu, not in Kitgum, not anywhere. No, it's not proper. Anywhere want to watch any project in a Katipi Kitgum, you can project in Tipe Uganda, but Tia Aki Kitgum. First emphasis must be to put it down. That is social acceptability. More down, very social licenses.
Hello, One World TV. No, it's not proper. Hello, One World TV. Well, ngarmon mero lock where I have take a lock TV ne ketiro main tamane mero lock and then you can revert.
So genona ti wajane bap ma foot party of NNA. One mirror what in project chera nyim. But watiki concern watiki doubt ma Paul Kidma Blencowe berka door kerjema. Mero mini example. Ngarmon raising concern ni. Kekwara position gitidingo. Kekwara has been very supportive and I think the two mineral wealth engagement mobility in northern Uganda was because of Kekwara. Ma berfo la wiruri wordande vilachana. Mu bino enke kome boma ma wano yobo yop. Ubino enke kome mu logo ma tekni logo transparency. Tika encouraging mineral companies yalo Blencowe gi. And there are very many companies kombeti patero igulu kombeti mercha kwanyo granite. Jemitima Paul. Ilamu I've been on gold has been discovered. Jemitima Paul, I've been on licenses still scattered all over. Actually, modern pengeo. And this is the same thing Mwante wajane. Transparency. Kekwara actually made efforts. Guyabo wa Gilmagloni Natural Resource Committee. Mene anoni lokomle metengom of fitting in. One, we are doing a lot of work here. Kekwara actually team wa Deputy Prime Minister is specifically in charge of lands and natural resources. Ladir Jokene. Utute anami your report for my engagement ki Blencowe and about the Orom-Cross Graphite Project. Utute merwate ki engineer Nabil Alam. Kado ngad ma no tikere tek. Ma waje machunya wenchwe ere ngad maglo Nabil Alam. Boss padan. Ngad ma tie country manager me Blencowe. Jale pe gamo chim, ka gamo chimi, logo kirino geata, waje be wini e one tell actually. Nyer waje wiya atiki record ni one tell actually wa peke to wire my kind project ni gien get take back pa ministry win wa waja tiak pe lok ma per tek yunge walu road ko ngachiri side one chair ki road way side kuja when po yielding effort why okay fine road signing Jokene Prime Minister to have a meeting ki country manager me Blencowe country manager me Blencowe setting meeting ne okay ki road cha ngwen Serena cha ngwen me the next day ma meeting berbetieni yeri ngol ka chwaka no don Prime Minister pa actually do o ka chwaka yeri ngol ka chwaka pe o so Nyeri has been very evasive ma komberi kama effort pa Acholi madung tek lo ene mer ko kwan manager me Blencowe pen dan ma right actually project me you are peda wajo and dan kon way politicizing me you are project ni be kwan the facility magi kero competitor ya ngak magi kero ngak wara me kero ne jinja uno emphasis ki miripa na bila lam pena yano beru yindi mene te jinja pena Indians duong jinja ye jinja pego kompe mai kong there was a social element mirine man lok ma mera wajo dan may not accept baate wajo ne
amun tampa garmo
foot party ko mere be wajo gam ci
wo foy ma tek wati ga lok nga ki kwene
ya ka dia lok
Paul Roma ki kwene
ki Kitgum
yes watami
mero kompo la rubi ki yonari yo ni
afoy ma tek la det
amiro ni angen pro amira ya korom endo tejia mogodon just winyo manoti surprise program man me winyo me graphite me Orom so it may be the beneficiaries of us pere jo me Orom and then anything maya would first be put in Orom my surprise is when you don't mean are they going to put the industry there over what? Because the man was talking about the dam. How is this a dam? Why does it mean the electricity from this dam cannot be transferred to Orom? Uganda can sell to Kenya. But not the source is where? In Uganda. How is it that this one of why is it the industry should be put there? And then give me Orom where electricity could be what? Connected, extended up to Orom. I'm still confused. But anyway, that is it.
Thank you. Dan, take a question clearly. Uganda can export power up to Kenya, Tanzania, Sudan. How come that you cannot extend the same power line mono merni michero Orom can wa Kenya? Tienu kare ke je chana epe ke jo merno yo ni gini merpo o Orom. Olenge netika da wala
na te wajo ni ngat mado wero project ni Acholi petia no bere nyoba niang pe project just basic niang ere ngat makelo na bila lam and this concern kamado ye kombedi ke kwa Acholi to mero cho a protest letter to the ministry, to industry extractive initiative, to even the shareholders of Blencowe because nabila lam no berkatam ni wan pe ke kero ulo ke lep charge maruoro winyi chime ni ruoro winyo ulo ke lep charge ni gen take backing pa ministry so amero wacho ni kombedi ni wan romo nyuto yer ni wan romo kwanye pien wan yote shareholder an be ka nge mabe ngom ya Acholi ngom is the spiritual identity pa Acholi and it is vested in the cultural leadership, it is vested in the communal leadership. The same concern to the cultural aspect. As
you summarize,
cultural aspect. Area ni kama kete kwanye ye bigoli graphite has elements of cultural identity. Ye ma miro kitom aspects of cultural rights have not been handled. Ruarachel Mathieu Pajokuno Makiloni Road used to Dodge and we really has been engaging a lot. We wrote this engagement well down why down Yopka Choke what down is defeated well Yopka Choke ngayo down because Jalchani junga Pemiro Bino ati so there are so many grounds combating ma down tiki church when you at cultural leadership at a local position pa ke kwa Acholi igipe yo mara kwan kele mon wa win mabe ni the cultural institution ke kwa Acholi led by the Berodi has raised significant concerns regarding the desecration of ancestral rights, shrines, and disruptions of communal land tenureship. The cultural institution is not merely a factor, land is not merely a factor of production, but the soul of the Acholi identity. There are ongoing demands for a community development agreement that honors cultural heritage and ensures a permanent equity for the people, rather than just a one-off compensation. Tilokani ke kwarbe igipiyom kidma ki vor ke luak mameki awachini ngom ene negotiating on agricultural rates, not on industrial mineral rate kidme graphite. In peromo kwachani ngom mameka ibiti paone ekachel le miangwen. Pendan gitia paone ekachel chele adi.
Just no
pendan
okay
gitia paone ekachel chele adi.
Information.
Is it fair me paone meke kwanye graphite no material worth 1.3 billion US dollars ali miangwen
information Olenge, can you confirm can you confirm ni engagements mamegu kinabila as alleged is a true statement?
The cultural ke kwa actually Deputy Prime Minister Joe Kene ti available na machimeti bori iningeo ti a live example. Nabila Lamu ti as to the extent of blocking Prime Minister peke kwa actually o blocking chimeo o blocking in WhatsApp. Ti do ngo makilore.
To a second extent.
Man the boss for company.
To a second extent.
Blocking ke kwa actually Prime Minister o chim WhatsApp.
Listen to me.
Be
to a second extent. To a second extent, itika claiming this is a claim matika karo ke bore. Ne Nabila Lam, wajo ne again they have the backing of the minister. Can we quantify that?
Phone records here. Very simple. Phone records here.
Dan, what
Nabila Lam aloko kere chimti makolata. He knows the truth.
Let's have
he has
Dan.
Been specific.
Let's have Dan.
Wait before Dan. What ministry ye lokani and ministry has been advising Blencowe to improve. Ministry has been advising Blencowe. And part of the issues we were okay me teach Dan is because one raising serious issues and there was no spokesperson for Blencowe by that time. Mawana cha raising issues again. Dan obino because company no ni jame mamerke tiye merke gam tiye maduong.
So dote onye majinge Dan.
Peka me Dan man mera.
Dan gam lokani.
Okay, well, ineno na wa yini moni pe wa kero politics. Ki
no, ineno Dan.
Look man what is so.
Dan
these are all allegations.
Give him time.
No,
give him time.
Politics, but raising social issues.
Again allegations. Ma unity a killer studio. Mano me restraining him.
No, that's why I'm saying. That's why I am quantifying it.
I am able to substantiate my
country manager now blocking anga ko records tie. Those are things mano be premier on one local. Those allegations kira be kero kwede kira winyu kere.
Those are allegations. Those are allegations.
We can provide the facts.
Do we look mana na yinti wa.
Let's get to Dan.
Wa ni moni ipenya ni pegiromo valuing ngom I rates me fu keken. Our China and then the surface rate agreement. Tiki closes Bogoma. Pay and me watch when.
Ukano pingo. Uchulu dana li miya ngwen pe eka chel pe mwaka chel pingo.
Gena na waja simplifying ni. Roma ki tenancy agreement. Mano in la pang or ki redot. No kero jimbo tikeni gini no bitime kuman gino bitime kuman. Mukene pemera logiye. So Rex Seoni, those are even allegations pangyo alimia ngwen committee kwa ile.
Well, spokesperson pengeo ni kiticho
lwa let's get back here. Afoi matek afoi matek watika neno wodi matini Wandu TV watika neno Kidma program tika word kwere. We just want to have these conversations come to an end. Atamani waberu kan picha wario kiwie mabene food lock potum. We'll keep on engaging. We have a series of questions. Jimatika biroma part mo miro wanen. In less than 2 minutes no okay studio kan amiro mio a closing or a parting shot. Both Omera done and then come to Olenge in 2 minutes. In one minute, let's have our final take on this story. Yes, Dan.
Yeah, well, you mate anenwa. Mero for mate lodge me One Low TV Vision Group. Pimi wakare ni maybe no toka gonye no. Pini Bible a book pa kosea waje ni chura ngwen tinge abichel waje ni money. Pipe pangage well done abirwin. Because of lack of knowledge, my people will perish. So wonu mi ni wakara mi biun kajaro ngage donc pere tek ni moni ngage mayin inoni again ni mo meriti kere mambe project ni pe project maraj project mo biun ma jimni wenti kore eno pemero wan waket politics ye kiloko ma peti akare ye donc dire may kenen project obiun mado chao mawangeni moni dong in the first stage of production ni the first quarter the last quarter in manung chake ni duma bungwene ena iwano be beruki karol twal me chako yubu factory badit mayini benda gam ke kila pen pa ngat mon wayni pingo ma pege romo kupune chero kuja ingeo jemi ngini tije mukena madogo kori ne joma mergyo timtie ena government ti olirit government will tell you nigi take will gi wacha enabling environment tie peace tie matie eno benka the consult ka the investor why any team it's really super expensive omio wan wachero katimo gen mano wanoni monio rate badlupe kino kita parameters again merkwere donc a project dir ma chake anangeni mon pedano nen project in terms of teaching Gunen project in terms of Jamie Muken opportunities Muken ma ubibino ki project ni. Ndaga nena bera wacho kumbedi chawa ni private sector mi rugu bed kong kinero. Because diri mane kalu teach. Gicho elu teach se miya bichel. They gena down Muken team again ubibino. Jo magiti in the education sector. Magitamu ni okay now fine. Geromo yupo public, gene private schools. We have now Jim Makin. Jomagiti health sector, we have now Jim Market man. Jomagiti supplies, we have now Jim Market. So, kada giru loka, ana lego ke Tony. Ni look my better watch ne local country manager ni made allegations ma. I know ni money look mapiti adada pati akara. Ana foi matek.
Ofoi matek mano look pa omera Dan Michael Kumakech PRO mi Orom-Cross Graphite Project. Tony, 1 minute.
Graphite project is a very good project. Graphite, you would call it Romuluone black gold in northern Uganda, and take care of rewiring Kidong economy actually. Lokma wano logo ni walogo wek yu pajo, walogo wek gang poto, dog walogo peni waneno kamu kena kila jemi worker. Peni wa deck project, wana mara project, and da ngeo ki chwinye mabe, and Blencowe mbe ngeo effort ma wano kade kere. Chao kena jemu kena diyo ma wano niyang at government level, and the Wiruri has also been very, very instrumental in pushing the project in Cheranyim. Kombedi kama genamero dano nge did you find any difficulty? Maucher kanongo mangagura. Po no any difficulty. E only pora take epaga. Kepa la Wiruri kepa era. Po no any difficulty because one take chwari kom project ni. Chi dan ka logo mero kungeni one po take politics lok man pe lok me politics. Logada an nge ni let dog be tek. Eto mero waloge kritikere mon me namachel gin ma ana logo ni wen ana tige evidence ki proof kit man na bilo berka blocking kere dano kit ma en frustrating kere effort pa cultural institution and effort pa lutela mo kene mer wada kedgi minister be le temo o KNPP temo honorable la magama gredra temo Kumbedi Calvin has been trying mena Mario Blencowe mer ku wintam ma bej ma pat ma wante wajene romberu tek edgi gu win Kumbedi ni ma foot project mo bale because takao losing the social license pa meru chak beru ki situation ma oberu kara moja makibera neko geologists pa companies geologists pa gamente because luak no chwingi pe yobe ko mu pe meru bet ki situation ma luak cha wa mu ta weyo no wana meru ni wonu bet ki social license Kumbedi gen mo no ni kilwoni political license warga ma ministry yo mini wu gen ma do donke ma pieta mero tiye ma leo Blencowe be meto budget iri social license wek lwa ko nge
gegami kwen social license
ka iri tamri lo ka yo de social license be villages apa onyo bot kakuns onyo block onyo dealers mo bago gore ni ko ni land association ni chi ngere to ki pero ma
finally
one tell actually batiki chwaka kom project ni ento wadega nywa borkara wadega nywa dok wadek nenu gin mati time kara moja wadek nenu gin time DRC Congo chal natural resource gas mano lonyo ti ngomu eto lwenyo ker komu eto chano ker komu ana dek nen latino rom mi ako rom me bion ka denu chane district Kampala kaleko chan kaleko mugarte chalo tiro me kara moja because gin time ni rom time mono kid malonyo mete ngom kere dikere
Ofoi matek itika nyan wodi kumatin e One World TV kono watika doro yuma megwa kitika wachani chawa karo we are above by 4 minutes odi kumatin oberu kaneno lokom golo ngo lonyo mati tengom moberu kaneno lokom Orom-Cross Graphite Project ma studio aberu kiomera Dan Michael Kumakech mati PRO pa Blencowe company chen matika neno kitmati tika watwere kuno kidong omera engineer Tony Olanya Olenge ma entika lock mio position omege enter tam weng mokaro kany eni tam pangara chel mobedo ingara kany onyo i program pitam pa One World TV wakelo bori werenyang kabene kara bebedo tie lok mia boga for duong enter Orom-Cross Graphite Project kakete wajene ni the net project value tie i about chilling billion chil tonario US dollars meno project madirtwal dano mwachi wango mo botime kit majin wo wor kwede watamo ni boko loke pigi kany ento petin oye we ko gika kany amero for mera Dennis Oringi mo bed in the back end producing amero for Enoch amero for Auntie Lucy anero beno donyo studio kany Kidong jomo kan ne weng magitie kaneno kit ma yupeni water credit. Over to our producer Claudio Mona matiwa gulukuja ufoyu matek mi ye benani these rebuttals should come on board. We ben la did done o lok mano karchala nini ano binu nonkar binu gamo kan. O gamo bene come and I'm seeing him smiling. Konkumano dio matien and la ruby a foy matek. O dio como mego o bed ben mabe program kan take a bino.